In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can move the taskbar to the top left right here in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and get yourself Explorer Patcher. Now, to do this, you essentially need to go ahead and open up any web browser. It doesn't matter what you do. And essentially, just go ahead and go to the following link. You can go ahead and pause and screenshot this link right here, but essentially go ahead and go to this page. And once you are on this page right here, look on the right side for the latest release option, which as you can see, that's right here, and go ahead and select it. Once you're on this page, scroll down, and what you're looking for is the option to go ahead and download it, specifically the epsetup.exe. It should be this first one right here. Select this, and it's going to immediately start downloading. Go ahead and select it again to open it up and hit yes. It's going to reload you into a page that looks like this. It is going to make your screen black for a second, so don't worry, that's supposed to happen. But once it does finish, you should see that it looks something like this, and it's already changed how your taskbar does look. Once it has finished downloading though, all you need to go ahead and do is right click on your taskbar and go ahead and select properties just like so. And once you do have properties open, go ahead and make sure that you're on this taskbar tray up here. And once you are on this taskbar tab, essentially go ahead and set your taskbar style to Windows 10. As you can see, it already put mine on Windows 10, so we're good to go. But after you do that, now all you have to go ahead and do is find this primary taskbar location on screen. And from here, you could change it to something like the top. You could change it to the left. You could change it to the right. And then you could change it to the bottom. It doesn't necessarily matter. Just make sure once you do go ahead and change it that you do select Restart Taskbar or Restart File Explorer in the bottom left down here, and it'll adjust. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.